Hi everyone, today I'm making a bit of a quick video just to update you that I have gone and bought Disney stock. It's a stock that I've been really talking about previously to free stocks I'm buying, and then I made the free stocks I'm buying, and my number one stock in that was Disney stock, and I did say I probably will, or I am going to buy Disney stock by the end of the year. And pretty quickly after making that video, it kind of dropped quite a bit in like 2 day period and pulled back a couple of percent. And I was like, right, this is the time to go buy Disney stock. And as always, I've left myself a little bit of room to go buy some more shares if it does drop a little bit further. But I finally entered Disney stock, which is something that I've been trying to do for a while, as you know. So I bought Disney stock on the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. Had to buy it quite early because obviously the stock market was closing a little bit early, so I had to buy it quite early on. But I bought at $144.58, which wasn't a bad price. It has pulled back slightly, and that's kind of what I was kind of waiting for, was trying and get the stock on a little bit more of a little bit of a pullback. Because obviously the 52-week highs were on about the $152 mark, and with it dropping down to about 144, I was like, right, this is kind of it. This is my opportunity to go buy, and that's what I did. I bought a decent position at that sort of size, and like I say, hopefully over the long term, I'm going to be adding a few more shares into this position and try and make it. Ideally, probably one of my top 3-4 biggest positions is ideally where I see Disney stock going forward. So I did buy on a little bit of a slight pullback, and like I say, if you want to see a full video why I bought Disney stock, I've covered it slightly on the free stocks I'm buying, and I also made a separate video as well as that, just dedicated to talking about Disney stock. So check them videos out if you want a little bit more detail into Disney stock. But briefly, the reasons why I got in is because I really like in the first place, I love the brand. I really like the theme parks, and the merchandise they make off the Disney stores. They also have the theme parks that they carry on improving. They make good investments recently by buying LucasArts to own Star Wars. They've also bought Fox, which obviously they get like Simpsons with. So Simpsons and Star Wars are two great additions for Disney going forward, which will really help them. Obviously, the theme parks should carry on doing well. We see the merchandise, which will still carry on doing well, and they've also had a great year with movies, which they've been a little bit more aggressive producing these movies right now, and going forward they'll probably carry on doing the same. Now, the one thing that really pushed me over like the last few months about getting into Disney was the launch of Disney Plus, which I think is another great income stream with Disney. They have got a lot of income streams which I really like, and this income stream could be massive with them because of the brands that they already own, which will help them produce a lot more online TV series for Disney Plus. So we already see what has happened with Disney with the Mandalorian TV series and the Star Wars, and the amount of potential that can bring in through there. It's done fantastic for Disney right now. And you think about all them characters they're on and the amount of TV shows they can bring out with them characters they're on, it's going to be fantastic for Disney because they can just easily pull off a Frozen TV show or a Spider-Man TV show, and it'll do really well for Disney because they already own them brands. And because of them reasons, that's why I see it over the next, kind of 2 to 5 years, eventually taking over Netflix as the biggest online streaming service out there. So with all that in mind, my price target for Disney is somewhere over $200. Like I say, it's one of those where I want to hold it for a long time. And like Microsoft, if the stock does go up, then I originally when I got into Microsoft, I was like, oh, if it gets 150, that's where I'll sell out. And now Microsoft's at 150, I'm not selling out. I've increased my price target to something like $200. And Disney can easily be one of them. But at the moment, like I say, I see it being a $200 stock next year. And I don't think I would sell out at that price, but that's where I see it going. So that's kind of a price target going forward on Disney. And the biggest thing about Disney as well is that it's a company that I would like to buy more shares in. So hopefully right now we see Disney stay around these prices for the next couple of months. Hopefully they'll have a bad earnings report, which is kind of strange to say when you are investing in a company that you do hope the stock to go down. But I do hope it does have a bad earnings report on the first quarter. So we see Disney go down to about $130, and then I'll be buying very, very aggressively. I'll probably be getting towards one of my top 3 positions in my stock portfolio from there. And that's kind of my plan, hopefully going forward with Disney. Like I say, it's a long-term hold, and it's a one that I can see me holding for quite a while. And hopefully the Disney Plus service, pays off for Disney in the long term. So guys, that's me making a quick video. Talk about Disney and me buying shares of Disney at last. Something I've been talking about for such a long time. So if you could give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next video.